Hi, this is Ritika here. Let's see an eye drawing tutorial in this video. Let's begin with the eyebrow drawing. Let me show you how the strokes for an eyebrow drawing should be. This is the way the strokes has to be. But usually many of us draw like this, which is completely wrong because the strokes are in the same thickness, which does not give a realistic and a natural look. So please don't draw the strokes like this. Instead, practice these strokes. I'll show you how. Only put the pressure initially. At the end of the stroke, give mild pressure as I'm doing. Also, practice different angles that are required for drawing an eyebrow. Let me show you all the angles that you have to practice. The first is an upward stroke, and then this is a slightly curved stroke. Practice all these strokes for better results. And then also draw downward strokes, because the tip of the eyebrow will look like this, will be in this direction. If you're not able to differentiate the dark and the light tones, you can darken the starting points later too, like this as I'm showing. You mustn't ruin the lighter strokes. Once done with the eyebrow strokes, let's jump on to the lashes. Once you have practiced the strokes for the eyebrows, it will be very easy for you to draw the lashes. Just follow the steps that I'm doing. Just practice the strokes in these directions. This is how the lashes has to be drawn. Remember, put pressure only at the starting point and then slowly release the pressure. Let me show you an example. Suppose if this is the eyelid, draw the lashes like this. Also, when you draw the lashes, the direction of the lashes changes at each point as it changed for the eyebrow hairs. So this is how the directions will be. Let me show you the directions as well. One more common mistake that everybody does is drawing the lashes of the same heights. You will not get the lashes of same length and height. It will differ definitely. So draw small and big lashes as well. You can curve the lashes slightly to make it more natural. Also now I'll demonstrate the directions for the lashes for the lower eyeline. The next most important point you have to see is the height of the lashes. As I've already told you, focus on the heights. It will vary from the starting to the end points. At the beginning, at the edge of the eye, it will be very small, and then at the end, it becomes large. So remember, the length and the height of the lashes matter a lot, and also the next point to be remembered is the strokes. Only put pressure at the initial point and then release the pressure at the end of the each stroke. Okay, here comes the main part, drawing an eye. Let me show a basic anatomy to draw an eye. Usually people draw like this. They draw an eyeball and then draw the eyelids touching the eyeballs. But that's not right, because normally a human eye doesn't look like that. Mostly the eyelids won't be present at the edge of the eyeball. At least a little part of the eyeball will be covered by the eyelids. I'll show you how to draw that. Only this part of the eyeball will be usually visible. You need not draw the entire ball. You can just draw a circle and then erase the top or the bottom part. So this is just a rough example of how to draw an eye. Let me also show you how to draw a detailed and a realistic eye. This is my outline. Now let me start with the iris shading. I'll give a uniform layer of B pencil, and then to darken the grade let me use a 4B pencil. I'm just using the paper stumps just to fill in the pores in it, that is the white spaces. And then to darken the tone let me use 8B pencil. Simultaneously just draw the reflections in it as well. Next, let's shade the white parts too. Depending upon the light source and the reference image, darken the required portions. Also, the edges will look comparatively darker than the other parts, so just darken them. Do not think that it is white part and so you need not shade it. You have to shade it because it also have some shades and grades in it. Moving on to the eyebrow shading. Draw the eyebrow hairs and then smudge them well. Then darken it with an 8B pencil and then add in all the details in the eyebrow. I'm darkening the upper line of the eyelid. Let me also draw the lashes as well. Draw it using the methods I told you initially in the video. To shade the upper eyelids, I've given a uniform shading with a HB pencil. And then for dark tones, you can use 2B or 4B pencils. You can also smoothen it with the help of paper stumps or brushes. And then for highlights, use erasers. Do not use white pens. Just use erasers and erase the portions where you are getting the lighting. So the same steps goes for the lower part of the eyes as well. Give a layer of HB pencil and then add in the darker tones with the help of a 2B or a 4B pencil. And then you can add in the lashes. It is not advisable to draw the lashes first because it will be very difficult for you to fill in the gaps between the lashes. So you can shade the skin first and then draw the lashes above it. Just focus on each detail within the reference image and then just try to bring out the same effect in your drawing as well. For the skin shading, just go with the same procedure. Just fill in the paper with a light shade of a HB or a P pencil. Then just darken the tones with the help of 2B or a 4B according to the reference image. Use stumps and brushes only when you have to smoothen and fill in the gaps. Suppose if you have darkened the tones or made it a patchy look, just use kneaded eraser to lighten them up. I'm just darkening the white portions a little because when I compared it with the reference image, it seemed to be a little darker. So when you draw, just compare it with the reference image at each stage and then correct the mistakes. For creating the highlights, I'm using my tip erasers. You can even use a normal eraser, but then just make sure your eraser is sharp or just cut it off a little and then use it. There is no specific techniques for skin shading, just smoothen it out and bring the actual shade that you can see in the reference image. That's it, our eye drawing is complete now. So you can take this as a reference image and draw it as well. If you're doing a rework of this, you can tag me in Instagram in Ritika_Sridhar page. You can also let me know in the comments what tutorials you would like to see in the upcoming videos.